This is the speed.
Yeah, that's the gasoline.
The gasoline.
That's the clutch.
That's the clutch change gear.
That's the middle is the
Okay, I'm
brake.
going to start at gear 2.
Okay, I will turn it off. Turn it off.
Okay.
And you try to turn it on. Okay. Oh, no.
On the brake.
Just wait. Okay. Just one.
One?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
Don't
Don't do too fast.
too fast. Just one click. One, two, and wait for the key is vanishing, and then start.
Where is the vanish? I don't see the vanish.
See, this is the bird. Okay, try again.
Okay.
Try. No. Wait. I will see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Another 1, 2. Wait for the key to vanish. Now, start. Oh, you are the best.
You're the best. Now,
Step your foot into a brake.
I'm already there.
Put this down. Oh, and then step the clutch. Hard clutch. I said clutch.
This one?
Yeah. Hard. Push hard. Make this number 1. One. And lose the brake. No. Oh, I said the brake loose.
Oh, the brake.
Not
Okay.
the clutch. The clutch.
So I should step on the clutch?
Yes, you should.
Yeah, step on the clutch.
Okay.
Use the brake.
The engine is dead, so you need to start again.
Okay, now. What
Start
to do?
the key again.
Okay.
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 The clutch gear.
No. Wait. Listen to me like I said. Listen to me, okay? Follow me. Order. I am your captain.
Aye, Captain.
Salute.
Aye.
Okay. Push the clutch hard
Already there? Yeah, already
and turn it the number 1 and up. No, do not push if it is
there. Yeah, already pushed.
lose the
Brake.
the clutch. Lose.
I lose.
Okay, and then pause again. Step in again. And then the number 1. Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
Just like this, and then go there and up,
Okay, it's already up. Okay.
and then lose the brake,
Brake.
just the brake,
Yeah.
and then the clutch, just very slowly loosen, slowly. Okay, it's now the car is moving, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you see? Now focus on the road.
Okay. I
Focus.
can lose the clutch?
Yeah, lose the clutch.
Okay.
Okay, you see now you are moving.
Yeah.
You see? Just don't go there. There's so much cars.
Okay.
You're going to bump.
I
Okay.
don't want to bomb that place.
Okay,
Like
just
that.
go there. Okay. If you want to go faster, but slowly push the gas slowly.
The gas. Okay.
No, just slowly. Here, try the gas. Try the gas slowly. Gas slowly.
I'm trying, yeah.
Oh, that's how the move the car. Then push the clutch.
I push the clutch.
And then brake. Clutch, brake. Okay, you are the best. That's it for today.
Okay, now what to do? How do I release it? Raise this?
Yeah, handbrake up.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then the key. Loosen the key. Oh! And now go out and I will drive the car. Be safe. You are the best. No. What see the is moving? You are the driver. Train.
To be safe, I will drive in the street next time.
There is no then we can practice.
Sige.
How's the feeling? You try the car.
Yeah, that's exciting.
It's very your first time or not?
Yeah, it's good. It's better than auto. I can drive auto but not manual.
Say salamat po in the video.
Salamat.
Mabuhay
Salamat po.
kayo.
Mabuhay kayo.
Yeah.
What is mabuhay?